you got there, Ella?
I got a little tiny frog.
Expanding, we have fought with so much fight. We have held on, knuckles white. Well, thank God that you eclipse all our shallow wonders.
What are you most looking forward to about this camp trip?
Hanging out with my friends and camping.
Oh yeah, is it a summer camping trip without my pudgy pies?
Truer than true, purer than pure. You're everything and still you are more. Everything and more. Everything and more. What a thrill, letting go to admit what we don't know. Take a breath, open your hands. We are just beginning.
Look how beautiful it is here.
Brighter than bright.
Camping.
Words could ever do to describe. You're everything and still you are more. Everything and more. More than we ever thought. We couldn't dream it up. We'll spend forever with you. Won't find the edges of you. You're our eternity.
Today, we're starting off with some Hershey's. This popping candy has some Pop Rocks in it, so it's white chocolate. Tastes really good. I love Pop Rocks. On one piece of bread, I have some strawberry jam with peanut butter. On the other one, I got some apple pie filling, some graham crackers, marshmallows, some popcorn, and hot Cheetos. Key to success.
Interesting. Ladies, what do we think about this pudgy pie?
The hot Cheetos ruined it.
Hot Cheeto. Everything else before that was okay?
Yeah.